Hey guys, so welcome back. In this tutorial, what we are going to see is how to use online templates, because React is a Vue library and the power of React comes in when you can expedite your UI creation. So UI definitely is helped by React, but however the HTML and CSS still need to be created for any website. And usually what we do, and in fact I have done it many times, is I go to websites which sell these templates. So there are many websites that you can just search and say buy HTML templates, and you will go and see a variety of templates. And then you can narrow down on what you want to use in that template. Similarly, what we are going to do is how easy it is to port an online template into one of the React applications, and of course make it more better and more efficient with it. Now we will see this in this example. And what we will do is we will use a template which was already there on the internet. Like if you can see this template, this is a simple resume template that we have online, and we will try to import it. Again, this template is available for free. I will share the URL where you can download this template. It's called Orbit. Once I share this, you can just go down, read about it. It has 6 different theme colors. You can use any of the theme colors that you want to. We will go with the default. And once we do this whole template creation, then we will try to import it to React application. Once we do that, we complete our React application. We'll try to deploy it to Heroku using one of the very cool tricks that we have. Now, once we are done with all this, I will share the URL of my resume to you. Similarly, at the end of the exercise, I expect that you would have created your own personal resume too. And as part of the exercise, and to know whether you have completely done it or not, I will request you to share your links in the Q&A section. So if you're done with this exercise, go to the Q&A section, have your deployed URL and just paste it there. So me and other students can have a look at your resume. Alright, so this is the theme that we're going to build. This is the site where we're going to get the template from. And once we get the template, let me open the workspace. So let me open Sublime Text. And as you can see, I have one end folder, one Orbit theme. When you open the Orbit theme, you have favicon, index and a readme. Readme is just about versioning and how you get it. Index.html is the one where every code is written out there. And similarly, of course, there's assets where you have CSS, images, JS, and any less files and plugins that were used in making the theme. We will not see any of these in details, but we'll try to import it to React application. Again, this application has to be blank because you cannot expect a running application and trying to import a theme. Of course, that's also a possibility, but as we are starting from fresh, I will have an empty or a clean slate where we will use the create React app command and create our application, and then one by one we'll import everything into our theme. Now, once we are done with it, you just need to make sure to stick along because there's a lot of copy and paste because the theme is already existing. You're trying to move it to React app. So pay close attention on what we do and how we do it. And I hope by the end of this entire lecture, we all will have our resumes ready. Now, once we have our resumes ready, make sure to host it on Heroku. Make sure to share the URL in the Q&A section. I'll create a question specifically for it. You can just share your URL of your resume on what you created and how you created, how it looks like, or probably, in fact, that is a very good way of me knowing you as well. And in fact, other students knowing you too. So this is a very good opportunity for us to learn and explore. So that was all about the overview of what we are going to do. Now, once you're done with the download and the environment setup, in the next class onwards, what we will do is we'll start writing our application. So I'll see you in the next class.